What's up guys, this is Muneeb with Muneeb Tech Solutions. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download AnyDesk software in Windows to access someone's computer remotely. So first of all, you have to go to Google and write down download AnyDesk, and after that you have to click any of the link. Let's say I'm just going to click on first link, and after here you have to click here on download now and download version 6. Okay, your downloaded has been started. Click pause because I have already downloaded this. So I'm just going to open it up. Let me open it. So this is the software. This is called AnyDesk. You can see a number here. This number you have to provide to your friend, your relative, someone else who want to access your computer remotely. Once you have provided this number, then someone can access your desktop remotely. So let's say this is my number, and I'm just going to access someone's computer. This is let's say this is a number which I want to connect. I just write down number here and click connect. Okay friends, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in description. Thank you. Bye.